Alright, the time is 8:49 and today I'm gonna service this bike, the Versys 650. The bike is run for about 30,702 kilometers. So currently I'm heading towards Kawasaki service station, which is in Jayanagar. So there we will go ahead and give the bike for servicing, where will we change the engine oil and do some throttle body cleaning, chain cleaning, chain lubing, and whatever the basic service that they're going to do. So let me get on the bike. Okay, the bike is run about 30,703 kilometers till now, in the span of 1 year and 10 months. 1 year and 10 months. And the service happens every 6,000 kilometers or maybe 6 months. So that's the service interval for all Kawasaki bikes. So yeah, so I've ridden more than 6,000 kilometers. So let's see how that goes. So Manju also would be coming to the service station. Why? Because he'll be changing his tires, the front and the rear, for his ADV 390 at Madhu's Tire Center in Wilson Garden. So that is the plan right now. So good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Now currently I'm on the Kanakpura road. So this road goes all the way till JP Nagar, and from JP Nagar I'll take a deviation towards Jayanagar. The bikes are getting serviced, the tires are getting changed, meaning we have planned a trip to go to our God's own country. So I'll go to the service station and I'll tell you guys more about the upcoming trip. Okay, I'm in Jayanagar right now, and Kawasaki service center is roughly around 30 meters from here. You'll be seeing all green bikes outside. Yeah, so this is Kawasaki service center. So let me park the bike here then. So that's my bike. I just gave it a service, and that is the Nissan. It's taking a bike inside. And let me show you around some bikes over here. There are some interesting bikes. So this is ZX14R, one of the rarest bikes that you can ever see. You'll not be able to see this bike on the road quite often. So this is a kind of a privilege, I must say. And let me show you the instrument console. It looks like some cockpit. Nice. And over here, this is the Ninja 1000. The older model though, because the new model does not come with a dual barrel exhaust like this. The newer one just comes, the exhaust comes on the right side. So this is Ninja 1000. So let me show you the instrument console. Okay, my bike is on the tram. So the chain is getting cleaned right now. So now they will change the oil for disc brakes and whatnot, their regular protocol, and then we'll be done with this service. I've asked them to check for the throttle body cleaning, but let's see how that goes. So we drained out the oil, and this is the engine oil I mostly use. It is Silcolin Pro 4 10W40 though, and I need 2 liters of this because of the cylinders. So the cost is 1,300 rupees per liter. So the oil is getting drained, and now the chain is super clean. Yeah, so I'll let them do their work, and moreover, they'll remove all of this, the fairing, the tank, and everything to clean the air filters and whatnot. I'll show that view of the bike in a bit. So this is my tank, fairing, and the seat, and they have removed it completely and kept it aside. And this is how the bike looks without the tank, fairing, and the seat. It looks so skinny though. So this is where the air filter would be. I have installed the BMC air filters, which is the reusable ones. I think they have cleaned it and they have installed it. And they have refueled the oil as well. If you look at that, that is Silcolin, Fuchs Silcolin oil. All right, the time is 1:03 and the bike is serviced completely. And the chain all is looking new, and we've done the throttle body cleaning as well. The bike sounds butter smooth. So let me show you guys the bill. So this is the sixth service at around 30,000 kilometers. So the total bill amount is around 5,000 rupees, and this only includes the labor and the spares. The oil, which I showed you guys earlier, which is Fuchs Silcolin, that is around 3,500. So roughly around 9,000 rupees service is what uh, would cost you guys on the sixth service, unless otherwise there is no any major problems with the bike. Alright, the bike is serviced at around 30,722. Now we are going to Madhu's Tyre Center to change Manju's tire. So that is Manju's bike over there. So I'll show you his tire condition and the kilometers run in a while. So we'll change the front and rear tire of his and then head home. So that's the plan. Okay, so this is Wilson Garden, and we reached Madhu's Tyre Center, which is right around the corner. I think it should be on the left. Yeah, this is Madhu's, and right next to that we have Verstein tires. So this is a kind of a renowned center for tire changes and whatnot. So let's see which tire would be compatible for the ADV 390. Okay, so let me show you Manju's tires. So these are Metzler 130 section. If you look at it, this is completely bald. The threads all are gone. So we are here to change both the front and the rear. And this is the front tire. Both of them are gone. The bike is run approximately around 21,000, if I'm not wrong. So that's the mileage that you get out of these tires. And these are quite expensive tires, the Metzler. So the pair cost you around 32,000. But what we're going to install right now is Rise Moto. Been hearing a good feedback about that. So let's see which model fits this particular bike. So this is how the Rise Tourer tire would look like on the ADV 390, and this is a rear view. Looks pretty decent, and it is enhancing the overall look of the bike. And if you look at the front view, and this is 190 by 19 tire section, and this is how the threads would look like. Pretty nice. And this is a tourer version of Rice motor tires. Cost for this installation would be around 7,700, including the fitting and the wheel balancing. Pretty reasonable, I must say. So let's see how the the tire performs actually on the road. So I'll just keep you guys posted on the review of these tires in few days. Okay, the time is 4:09, and we are done with Madhu Tire Center. So if you look out there, so this is how the tire would look like when the bike is in the motion. So let's see how the tire performs on the road, and I'll keep you guys posted in few days. So yeah, so we are done with what we came for. Now let me tell you about the upcoming trip. So there are two options. One, we may go to Gokarna, Yarna and then Dandeli. The other option is we may go to Surinali, Vagamon and Munnar. So these are the two plans that are in flight right now. So we'll have to freeze on one of them for the month of November and then see how it goes. So stay tuned for this series. I hope you guys liked this particular video of the Versys service and the changing of tires on the ADV 390. So if you did like this video, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.